Charles St. Charles. I'm a North American nature and wildlife photographer. I've tried to put together a video that spans the entire year and shows both the beauty of nature across the seasons and some great conservation successes, as well as simple projects that anyone can start with before working up to more challenging projects.
Hooded mergansers are cavity nesters, and they like to use nesting boxes made by people. So if you're looking for a good project to help your local mergansers or wood ducks, you can build nesting boxes. They're really simple to make and have helped increase the population of cavity nesting ducks. Here the hooded merganser hen incubates her eggs in a nesting box. One afternoon, all of her eggs hatch, and the very next morning she calls out to the ducklings to entice them to leave the nest. If you've built a nesting box, and you're very lucky, you can witness this amazing sight.
When you get done watching this, please leave a post about projects that you know of or maybe have worked on to help nature. I'd like to cover more stories like that and pass on the inspiration of what we can accomplish when we try.